Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 of the best Windows 11 VPNs. Let's start. A VPN encrypts and protects your data connection online. With VPN, you can hide your IP address and data. The first VPN I want to introduce to you is Speedify. First, open your browser. Then go to speedify.com. In this step, click on Download Now. After that, choose your platform. For example, I want to use this VPN in my Windows 11. So I should select Download for Windows. After that, click on Save File. Go to your downloads and open your file. In the first step, select Agree and Continue. Because we want to use this application for free, close this page. After that, select Connect. Select OK. Great, now we connected to this VPN. But if you want to change your location, go to More section. Then click on Server. After that, choose any server you like. And the best part is, all the servers are free to use. For example, let me choose USA. Great, now we connected to USA server. Let's go to the next VPN. Another VPN that is really fast and safe is Windscribe. For downloading this application, open your browser. Then go to windscribe.com. In this step, click on Download Windscribe. Then choose your system. You can install this VPN as I show you also in your Windows 11. Select Windows. Then choose Save File. Go to your downloads and open your file. After that, select Install. Then click on Get Started. Now all we have to do is create an account. First, choose your username. After that, enter your password. Re-enter your password here. If you like, you can enter your email address. And if you forget your password, you can reset it with your email address. For more security, enable this option. Finally, select Create Account. Go to Application again and click on Login. Then enter your username and password and select Next. Finally, click on Connect. And now we connected to this great VPN. Also, you have option to change your location. For example, let me choose Canada and choose Toronto server. Great. And now let's go to the latest and greatest VPN. Warp VPN is a free app that makes your internet more private and safer. First, open your browser. Then go to 1.1.1.1. After that, choose which platform you are using. I want to use this VPN on my Windows 11, so I should choose Windows. Select Save File. Go to your downloads and open your file. Select Next. Finally, click on Finish. After that, open the application. Select Accept. And then select here to connect. Great, now be connected to this VPN. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, or would like me to clarify anything else, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.